Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
Start by loading your photo and gathering 3-5 Ghibli reference frames. You'll prepare a concise prompt that tells Chatgpt and any linked image tool what to change. Include style cues like warm pastel palette, soft bloom, subtle grain, and subject eye size. Once done, describe camera angle, lighting direction, and desired mood. Make sure to note exact edits, color temperature value, saturation delta, and parts to preserve. This immediate prep speeds the rest of the workflow. Now build and iterate prompts. First, ask Chatgpt to produce a structured prompt for your image editor, include base image, transformation steps, and excluded regions. Then, run 3 passes, adjust color balance and warm highlights, enlarge and stylize eyes and facial proportions subtly, add bloom, film grain, and vignette for atmosphere. Once you have an output, request refinements specifying numeric tweaks, e.g., increase warmth by 8%, decrease shadows by 10%. Make sure to keep an undo history for rollbacks. Finish by checking details at full resolution and harmonizing color across skin, sky, and foreground. Once satisfied, export a high-quality master and a web-ready JPEG. If elements clash, ask Chatgpt for a corrective prompt. Target only problematic regions, lower effect intensity, or revert a pass. A key troubleshooting tip: if the stylized eyes or skin look unnatural, reduce the stylization value by roughly 30% and reapply the texture pass. This preserves Ghibli charm without breaking realism.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.